Alright guys, so today we're gonna weld the diff. Don't mind that in 5 batches, just did a trunk swap, so I'm gonna take that off soon. Just let me feel myself. Here's the man, the welder himself. Back from the E46. Yo, this guy welded Gabe's E46 hella nice, so I have big hopes for this one too. Pretty excited. We're gonna jack it up. We're gonna try to take out the differential and then just go ahead and weld it up. So let's see how this process goes. I'm gonna just wedge it here so it doesn't roll forward while we have it on jacks.
It's not looking good.
It's not looking too good?
It doesn't sound too good. Nah.
Yeah, no, that sounds fucking horrible.
Oh, man. Okay, let's see. That right here, you gotta aim right there. It's like diagonal, bro. You see it?
There's nothing there. Nah, you can't. Oh, you fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's nothing there. Jesus. I'm going up here. Is that frame?
It just is rust. That's what it is.
I don't know where to jack this thing up from. Under there, maybe? Oh, but it won't fit. Fuck. Let's take this off. Unless we jack it up from the diff. And then we gotta put jack stands somewhere. Yeah, lift that up. That should be good. Right in the middle. That doesn't sound good, eh?
Yo,
Yo.
how should we do this, yo?
I don't know, bro.
Yeah, that got fucked. Alright, we got scared, so we're using planks and concrete. Alright guys, so we just rotated the wheels. We're getting the other bolts out. We're trying to remove it from the drive shaft.
X3.
Just got 3 on each side and we should be good. Blessed. It's kind of fucked up. I'm just eating chicken wings.
Welder. Put it back in.
Almost fucking done.
That should work. It should be good, honestly.
You still have something holding on to that diff, right?
There's one bolt. Are you kidding me? What the fuck? How the hell?
What happened?
Bro, now we gotta get up in there. There's things like, there's 2 bolts up here that go to like there. This fucking stupid plate. Unless. Is it holding it or?
It's holding it, but it's fucking. I need to have a tighter grip. One sec.
I'm gonna stay back. This bitch will spin.
I'm putting it in neutral?
Yeah, yeah. Just quick. Scared the shit out of me. I was like, what is that?
Yo, me too, bro. I was like, yo, that beamer's way too old for that noise.
Ow.
To get her out.
Yo, this is gonna be a bitch to get back.
I know, bro. Holy fuck. It's out. It is out. Yo, I don't even mind, bro. This property's so nice, bro.
You gotta find that screw. Never mind.
Yo. Look at that. Yo, that looks beautiful in there, though.
What do you notice? There's barely any oil. Not even a liter of oil in there.
Been driving for 27 years, bro.
27 years.
Yo.
You weld that in there. These four. Yeah, bro, what's the gasket say? There's like no gasket.
Alright, so we're gonna use brake cleaner and try to just clean up the diff.
We got most of the metal chunks out.
This is why we do it.
Alright guys, so it's time to weld the diff. We're gonna basically lay some metal right over there. Yeah, man, we care about our welders out here, dog. What the fuck? Yo, this just fell out of the seat, bro.
Brake cleaner.
I know.
Right in the whip.
And as soon as he's done welding over there, we're gonna go ahead and stick it back in, take it for a spin. We're gonna see how it goes. I think it's gonna be pretty fun. You know, it's a V8, no traction at all. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna daily this in the winter, but we'll cross that road when we come to it. But it's gonna be pretty nasty. I feel like this shit will slide because already it does the one wheel peels and then literally transitions into both tires sometimes. So with the welded diff, it's gonna be quite some fun.
I think we're good. Let's get this bitch in.
Let's fucking go.
Keep that dirt in there.
See, that fluid was gunky when we first pulled it out. Bro, this weld looks like that one captain from Pirates of the Caribbean, the octopus. These two bolts for the E39 are the most fucking annoying. That's the reason why we actually cut a hole in the trunk just to access it. The other one's fine, but the one on the right is fucking disastrous. But
we might have to get that jack back under.
alright guys, and she's done. The diff has been welded. I am scared shitless to turn it on and drive it, but hopefully this goes well. And that concludes our video. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think. I won't be swinging it in this video. I'm just gonna get used to it a little bit, you know, just feel it out. Try to get some more suspension work done, and then hopefully be uploading some videos of me just, you know, throwing it around and sliding. So hopefully everything goes well. Let me know what you guys think. Again, like, comment, subscribe, and I appreciate the view.